Morning. I was okay, I'm vlogging in the morning, you know. It's a nice morning. We're up here in Wisconsin, I think. Yeah, Wisconsin. Up in Wisconsin, pick up a load. Where I head down to Indiana, I think. Look like Parks. It's right there. Paletta Parks. Been a slow start after the week. Today Wednesday, and never get a load till this morning. Been here in the area since Saturday. So this freight thing here, sometimes it's good to make money. You're out there every day, just a run, and then you have a time where you're just sitting. I was sitting from Saturday. The delivery was for Monday morning, so we got in early Saturday, Sunday morning, and sit all day. Monday now I was expecting a load, you know, because we clap fresh 16 hours on the clock Monday morning when we get up. But unfortunately, them never have no load in Wisconsin area for go to Monday. So Tuesday we did it. End up moving from that location and go somewhere else in Wisconsin till we finally pick up a load last night. However, when we get into the shippers, it wasn't ready last night, so we have to wait till this morning. So long story short, we get in Wisconsin probably from Saturday, deliver Monday, never get no load Monday, Tuesday till this morning to pick up. I just part of the expediting world. You're out here, sometimes you get a load before you even drop off the load where you carry. And then you have another time where you just have wait 2 days, 3 days, sometimes maybe some people have wait all 4 days. We have gone to like California and those places and wait 3 days, you know, and then boom, some come in. So you know, my advice to the other expediter is to be patient. Sometimes I run. Sometimes there's just no load. It's not the dispatcher them fault. It's just that no one, the shippers, the clients just don't have anything in your location with part of them, you know. And then sometimes it just run flow. You just happen to be in at the right place, right time. Some states them don't have no whole heap of work from that state. Some states them have a lot. Some states pack up with driver, some states not. So you have to just stay in the right place. It's just a luck thing. To my, you know, to a messy walk one. But more often than less, if you have patience, you will get a load going out. And then I think more often than less, you'll be running. Only sometimes you run up in a little bad spot, but just no loads coming out. You have to either move or something. You know, so you have to just patient. That is a trucking game, whether you is an expediter or you is a big rig trucker. That's the name of this game right here. Patience and wait your turn. And sometimes the shipper just not ready for you. You know when I say them tell them to come in, to pick it up at a certain time, you get there early, you just have to wait. Sometimes you get there with the time when them say you're supposed to, and something happen at the plant and or wherever, and it's just not ready. So it's just patience. Patience. When me do for occupy my time, you know, you always have other things to research. I don't know about you. If some people might just watch YouTube, some people watch Instagram, some people are TikTok. They always try to research the next best thing. So I take the time, the perfect opportunity to take the time and research and read about what we need in order for doing the next best thing or the next project or whatever the case is. You know, there's always something to do. There's always, you can read a book, watch a TV, watch a show, let the time run off. You know what I say? Go and go exercise, go walk around, go in a Walmart. I find out say, you know, when I'm there in the van, I kind of come like I get cabin fever sometimes, but which part with it kind of cold, so you don't want to go out there cold either. You know, sometimes you go walk around in a store. There's there's a lot of things to do when you're out up on the road. You can't really drive up on a sightseeing because you don't want to mess up your time. So you have to just sit still. So what I try to do is sit still in a Walmart here or a shopping here where we can go walk and, window shopping. Unfortunately cold here, so you have to pretty much go in at the stores and go in at Lowe's, go in at whatever you're interested in and go park there. So pretty much that's what I say. So you have to occupy your time. Let me kind of drive people. Now we're gonna occupy your time with things where you normally do. Everybody different, but expediting can get to people. A friend of mine where I tell me say, there are people them the van driver them keep on a call and say them are sitting in and get a load, them are complain. That is expediting, that is trucking. You see me I say, you have to sit down and wait. So if you don't like them, then something you like and this is just not for you. If you can't wait, you don't have patience, if you keep rolling. None of them truckers are out here when we see a pass on the road. Just keep trucking. They would have loved to, because I make money, but they have to sit for 8 hours every day after them time run out. When them time run out and they must sit, sometimes them sit and wait for a load and the load not ready at all 2 days. The last, which one me did them go, they go see one trucker, one semi-truck, sit and wait just an idle. And me there from Sunday morning early, he was there. I leave, go drop off my load Monday morning and come back to come sit at the same location. He was still there. So that means I come see him whenever I reach there. So if they're there Sunday, or maybe from Saturday, or God knows when. But when I was there, I'm there from Saturday, Sunday morning, Monday all day, until when me leave Monday night, Tuesday morning when we leave. We actually did it till Tuesday morning 9 o'clock. So he was there, still there. I left him there, idling in him truck. You understand? He might walk in and out of the gas station. For whatever reason, maybe he just never have no load, or he might wait for no load, or just not there, or whatever the case is. But he's just sitting. So that is trucking, or hence expediting if you didn't have van. It's the same thing as trucking. You just sit. There's a lot of sitting around in this game at some point, whether you like it or not. You can't just stay there for weeks or months or the whole time you're out there. You just keep rolling. It's not possible in a trucking game. You have to just try to put yourself in the right place, right time. Sometimes a strategic too. You have to look and see where the load board look like, where you're going, and see if you want to choose to go there. Some places like California, it's a dead spot. Apparently this company we drive for don't have loads, a lot of loads coming out of those places. I hear truckers on a whole say those places are bad. So I guess it's not just this company, it's just the freight. I guess how the freight move in America. It's no loads come, little loads come from those areas like California, Florida, certain places, So it's just part of the game. I think we just need to be patient, and go with the flow. With downtime, we just find things to do. With downtime, occupy the time and make time run go by. Enough people in the expediting world are saying, go find something to do. Once you find something to do, bam, you get a load. Which is true sometimes. To work away there. The minute you say you go come out to go take a shower at the truck stop or whatever, or the minute you say, yo, I'm going to check out something at the store, or I always check out. The minute you go do that, at that time, the minute you say, yo, go hold asleep, yeah, man, them people that joke and go lay down, you get a load. There's a lot of times it works like that. It has happened to us, or to me, a lot. Where the minute you say you're going to do something for yourself, that's when you end up get a load, you can't get it, right? So just so you go, expediting for you. Patience, and occupy yourself, educate yourself in your downtime. with whatever, educated with Instagram, educated with YouTube, educated with a movie, educated with a book, research the next project where I work on. You know what I say? Use that time to do all of that. Use it for call your friends, use it for call your family, use it for, talk to your wife or kids or whatever the case is. Use it occupied to do that. Don't get caught up and say no work, and then you get frustrated. You leave the work, you call your employer and cuss them out. You call the van or fleet owner and cuss them out. You know what I say? Said no work. Them not a control over that. The shippers just not sending nothing in the area where you there. You see me I say? So be patient and occupy your time, keep pushing, work there. As far as when we see there's work here, it's just that sometimes you're just not in the right place at the right time. Sometimes you come out here and say, yo, you kill the week, boom, it just dropped dead, and 2 days, 3 days, maybe 4 days you sit down. I've heard people saying a truck incident sit down 5 days, nothing. So I've not sit 5 days so far. The most is like 2 days, and by the 3rd day we get some. Most cases, sometimes the load shitty, but sometimes you take it just to come out and go in a better location. This company, they will pay for move. It's not much, it's just gas you end up getting for move. So you lose your time driving. But if it worth the time to move, go in a better location, then take the move and go in a better location. Sometimes I just say, go I truck in an Expediting go. So that is how it goes. So that this little vlog is just to tell people, say, yo, expediters, van drivers, truckers, just be patient. Stop calling the employer them and thing, and not for them fall. This business is just so it go. If you absolutely can't deal with it and that get to you, then work a job where you work constantly. There's always the fast food industry where you constantly fry from morning till evening. You're there on your foot all day, sit down none at all. So if you're want to do something like that and you can't do this and like sit around, then go in a fast-paced industry like the fast food industry. That's why in your fast food you always move, you're there on your foot all day. You work too much, you overwork and get underpaid. So I think this business is a lucrative business. It's just that this is the downside of it. The downside is sitting around sometimes, which is a good downside. Who wouldn't want to sit down? You're not really getting paid if you sit around, but when you start run, This week might be slow, but guess what? Next week you just run, you get long run, you say bumper clock. So much run you can't even get a time for rest. A couple weeks ago before me take a break, that was it. We go from Atlanta to almost Canada, then from Canada to almost California on the other side of the world, then come all the way down South California back to the Midwest, back to Georgia. So I circle the whole entire US almost, the 4 corners. I never really go to Texas, but I go almost the 4 corners in that trip. It was non-stop, so I end up do that for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, then go back home, take a little break. But here we're out here again, think is the same thing gonna happen, but no, we end up sit at 2 days. Get a good weekend load going when I go, but then we just end up a sit 2 days. So that's just part of the game. You have to just patience. I just that patience, and you will get those loads. Sometimes you have to move without money, unfortunately, but it's part of the game. You make a little money this week, next week you make a killing. Make a killing every week, and that's how this business goes. So just a check-in for just telling us, say, yo, I saw a thing set. What I say? Today Valentine's Day, all the Valentine people, them happy Valentine to all the females out there, and then on behalf of the females, them to the man, them no funny, but I just enjoy on a day, buy all the flowers, who don't feel like to buy, and make